If you're a heating air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, what is it that you can learn from professional wrestling and why does it matter? This is a super important question. I'm Scott Sylvan Bell, coming to you live from Atlanta, Georgia on a perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day to talk about you. So here's the thing. It's not a sales call, it's a performance. And what that means is you are on at some point giving a presentation. And one of the coolest places that you can look is professional wrestling because it is drama. I hate to break it to you, it's not real. It's fake. If you're hoping that it's real, it's not. It's scripted. And some of the best script writers for drama are paid a lot of money to keep people engaged in wrestling. And the reason I bring this up is if you just go to YouTube and type in The Rock Returns, The Rock, Goldberg, Steve Austin, even The Undertaker, I think there's other people too, especially for WWE. They are super good on milking the energy of a crowd. And so you could duplicate that in your sales process. You could duplicate that in your conversation. And this is why you got to join HVAC Tech Secrets. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel. It's starting to rain. So if you go and you watch, especially on The Rock Returns, because he does this really cool thing where he's like, finally. And like the crowd knows what he's going to say and the crowd knows what he's going to do. So he messes with them and takes his time and doesn't necessarily get to the point. And just goes, The Rock has returned to, and then he finally says the city that he's returned to get people engaged. You got to know that that type of engagement and that timing, you have to learn it. There's no book that can teach it to you. I can't give it to you in a YouTube channel. It takes repetition. It takes you having a conversation back and forth. It takes interactions. It takes multiple attempts. And when you know that, you could do better with it. When you know that, you have the opportunity to be better at what you do. It's really starting to rain. So I got this challenge for you. Just go find 3 or 4 of The Rock Returns where he comes in and look at his timing and see what he does. It is fantastic. You got 1 or 2 things to do from here. Just 1 or 2. Find the subscribe button, click on it. Every time I send out a video, you'll get an update that says HVAC Technician Sales Secret sent out another fantastic video, or hit follow. We'll see you soon. Got lightning, I gotta go.